Good morning, students. So today start that already started 7.4. So in that question number 15. So 1 upon under root x minus a into x minus b dx. Okay. So first multiply both brackets. Okay. So x square minus xb minus ax plus b. Okay. So x square minus x take common. So here a plus bx plus ab dx. Okay. So completing perfect square. So 1 upon under root this a square minus 2a into, so b how to find? So see here 2 into x into b, suppose this 2ab, and this is equal to this, so a plus b into x. So from here you find b value, so b is equal to x cancel, so a plus b by root, this is the value of b. So this you put here a plus b by, and after that also you check this. Okay. So 2 to cancel x, a plus b plus, so this whole square you add it and then subtract it. Okay, add and subtract both. So by that expression will be balanced. Okay. So this square added, then subtracted, then balanced, plus AB also remaining. Okay. So now in place of this a square minus 2ab plus b square, so in place of that you can write a minus b means this. Okay. So a minus b whole square minus this simplified, so minus a plus b whole square upon 4 plus ab. Okay. So take LCM and simplify. So after this here, okay, so is equal to 1 upon under root x minus a plus b by 2. Okay. This whole square, and then 4ab minus take action, so plus 4ab minus, so a plus b whole square, so and minus is there, so minus a square minus b square minus 2ab, clear, and upon 4. So 1 upon under root x minus a plus b by 2 whole square. Okay. And this 4ab minus 2ab, so plus 2ab, so minus take common. Okay. So minus take common, then what will be a square plus b square, and there plus 2ab, so minus take common, so minus 2ab means this will be a minus b upon 2 whole square. Clear? So now this suppose t. So here suppose let x minus a plus b by 2 equal to t. Clear? Then differentiate it. So dx equal to dt. Put here. So dt upon under root this t. So t square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Okay. Then I apply formula. So one time again see this properly. Okay. So which formula will apply? So 1 upon under root x square minus a square. 1 upon under root x square minus a square. So formula is log mod t plus under root this whole t square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square. Okay. Plus c. Okay. Then putting t value. So log t means x minus a plus b by 2 plus under root x minus a plus b by 2 this whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square plus constant. Then also you can simplify. So like this you have to do. So okay, this was question number 15. So 10 to 15 two questions told and remaining you try from yourself. Okay, process that same. Then question number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 means 16 to 23. Question number 16 to 23, their process same. Okay, so 16 to 23, I will tell you some questions. Okay. So question number 16. Okay. 4x plus 1 upon under root 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. So told that in our integral of type px upon okay under root x square plus bx plus c. How to integrate? So told that let 4x plus 1 is equal to okay. Here without supposing also directly you can do. Okay, but according to process how to do. So 4x plus 1 is equal to a. Then differentiation of numerator without root. So 2x square plus x minus 3 plus b. So 4x plus 1 is equal to a. So differentiation of this will be 4x plus 1 plus b. Then find a and b value. So 4x plus 1 is equal to 4ax plus a plus b. So x coefficient 4 and here. So 4 is equal to 4 means a is equal to 1. Then constant a plus b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 minus a and a also 1. So b is equal to 0. Here means in place of 4x plus 1 we can write a is 1 and differentiation of this will be 4x plus 1 plus b is 0. Understood? So like this. But here directly we could also do this question by supposing 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. But according to process like this. Clear? But all questions cannot do by supposing this. Okay, some questions you can do. Okay, because everywhere here directly given 4x plus 1 and there differentiation also coming 4x plus 1. Then directly by supposing this will come. But in some other questions by supposing this is directly not coming this, then you have to arrange by this way. Okay. So now you put here. This also you have to do in notebook. Also inside you can do this. Okay. Inside you can do this, but this is not rough work. Okay. So now in place of 4x plus 1 same means 1, 4x plus 1 plus 0 upon 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. So 0 there no meaning, means directly this same will be. So you suppose 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. One line also you write. Means after simplifying also that starting that will come. Then suppose t, so their differentiation 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So put equation that. So dt upon t power 1 by 2. So t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So apply formula n plus 1. So 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 minus upon 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 t power 1 by 2 plus c. So 2t value and power 1 by 2. So under root. So 2 under root 2x square plus x minus 3 plus constant. This will be answer. Understood? So like this, remaining questions also you can try hard. But some questions you see. So 16, 17, 18 you see. 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. This is also that hard. So suppose 5x minus 2 is equal to a differentiation of denominator. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus constant b. So a, so differentiation of this 0, this 2 and this 6x plus b. So 5x minus 2 multiply. So 2a plus 6ax plus b. So here x coefficient 6a and here x coefficient 5. So a is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Then constant 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. So a value 5 by 6 plus b equal to 2. So 2 3 so b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. So 6 minus 5 means 1 by 2. Clear? So in place of that, you put a and b values. So here I am writing. So in place of 5x minus 2, a means 5 by 6. And differentiation of this, so 6x plus 2 plus b value 1 by 3 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. And one thing also, when you will simplify this, okay, you will get 5x minus 4. Okay, 1. So I got this here minus 2. Okay, so this minus 2 minus 5 by 3. So this minus 11 by 3. Sorry for this. Minus 11 by 3. Okay. So you simplify. So LCM will be 6. Okay. So this 36x plus 10 minus 22. So 10 minus 22 minus 12. Okay. So 30x plus 12 upon 6. 6 take common. So 5. This minus 12. Okay. This minus 22. So this 5x minus 2 upon 6 times. So that okay. Then after this, divide separately. Divide separately. So 5 by 6, 6x plus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. dx minus 11 by 3 constant, so dx upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x. So now this part, okay, it becomes question number 10 to 15 like that you have to do. So here this suppose t 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to t. So 2 plus 6x, okay, dx is equal to dt. So 5 by 6 constant. So 6x plus 2 dx is dt upon minus 11 by 3 dx upon 1 plus 2x plus 3. Here cannot suppose t because this where you will adjust. In this adjusting, but in that not adjusting. So you have to do by another way. So this 5 by 6 log this mod t minus 11 by 3. Then completing perfect square method. So dx upon 3 you can take common. So x square plus 2 by 3 x plus 1 by 3. So 5 by 6 log t value you put here. This 11 upon 9. So dx upon, now you see a square plus 2 a b value. So told that 2 into x into b is equal to 2 by 3x. So x cancel, so b is equal to 2 also 1 by 3. So there is square add and subtract. So here you write 1 and simplify coming. So 1 by 3 there whole square add, it means 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9. Add and subtract, then 1 by 3 dx. Okay. So this will be same 11 upon 9. So dx upon, in place of this you can write x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, take LCM, so minus 1 plus 3, so 2 by 9. Okay. 3 9 there LCM 9, so minus 1 plus 3, so 2 by 9 means you can write under root 2 upon 3 whole square. Clear? And after that x plus 1 upon 3, suppose you already t suppose, so you, so dx is equal to du, so du upon u square minus a square, apply formula. Okay. So need practice. Questions are not tough, but you have need practice. Okay. When you do practice, then questions will come. Okay. So remaining also like this you have to do. Okay. Question number 24 also like this part. 25th, okay, by completing perfect square method. Okay, dx upon, apply, convert in form of formula, and after that. Okay. So in next video I will discuss integration by partial fractions. Okay, thank you.